Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the WhatsApp channels for news, updates, and more. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp account. Then go to the Updates tab. At the bottom, tap bar on iPhone or top tab on Android. Then scroll down to find the Find Channels section. Then tap the plus icon or Find Channels to explore or search. Then how to follow channels. Use the search bar to find topics, organizations, or creators, like for example news, sports, celebrities, then tap on channel to preview it, and tap follow to subscribe. And once followed, you'll receive updates in your update tab, not your chat inbox. Then using channels for news and updates, you can follow the official news organizations. You can get a real-time updates on the breaking news, government announcement, local events, and more. And privacy note, your phone number and profile are not visible to the channel admin or other followers. You can unfollow anytime. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.